March is recognized as National Nutrition Month, so that's how we're kicking things off here at 9:30. One thing you can start doing today to improve your health is to add more color to your diet.
In this morning's Wellness Wednesday segment, we are breaking down the different colors and how we can incorporate them.
Yeah, and let's say good morning to a friend of the program, local dietitian Alice Smith, the owner of Alice Approved. Alice, before we start, you would be so proud of Audrey. She shared with us between shows today something that she made last night. It was the most colorful thing I've ever seen on a plate in my entire life.
It's a perfect example of what you're talking about today, of the tasting the rainbow.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, I love it. What was it, Audrey?
It was like an Asian fusion salad with
like
peppers, slaw,
peanut
dressing, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, all of the colorful vegetables.
Love it. I love it. I love it. That's perfect. And you know that I love this topic and that I say all the time, the more colorful, the more nutritious, but I thought we would explain why and just encourage everyone to eat more color. So you'll have to share that picture with us, Audrey.
Okay, I will. I'll message you on Instagram.
So Alice, what colors should we be incorporating into our diets?
So we need to incorporate a variety of colors, all of the colors. So that includes red, green, yellow, orange, blue, purple, but also white. So we hear a common term is cut out white food. And that a lot of times is referring to your pasta, to your refined grains, to your bread, to your cereal. But white is actually super nutritious when it comes to our produce. So all of the colors are important.
Okay, so we're showing this visual white, you're thinking cauliflower. But I'm wondering what other white vegetables or other food, I guess, maybe like, I can't think of the word.
Like an onion?
Oh yeah, onion or.
So we have onions, potatoes, we have jicama.
Jicama.
We also have garlic.
Oh.
Yes. So garlic is great for your immune system. So garlic is wonderful, jicama, even white potatoes. So white potatoes have resistant starch, which is a great source of fiber for gut health and gut bacteria. And then your onions, even apples, some cabbages. So definitely cauliflower also. So white is super nutritious.
Okay, and then you also said blue. What is an example of adding blue?
I had blueberries.
Okay.
But then I was done.
Yes, yes. So, and blue and purple is going to be an eggplant. Even your beets are going to be dark purple, your blueberries. And thinking about blue is really important for immune system, but also for memory. So thinking about reducing risk of dementia and Alzheimer's, if you can add blueberries into your smoothies, into your oatmeal, on your salads as a snack, blueberries are super wonderful for your brain. So they are great for your brain health.
Okay, good to know.
Excellent.
Alice, why eat all of these different colors? You just mentioned the white and the blue. I think people, when they think of healthy foods, they think of the green, the leafy greens. They're like, oh, I just don't want another salad. So what are the importance of the other colors out there?
And that's such a good point. It doesn't have to be a salad. These can be incorporated in lots of different ways, raw or cooked on a salad, in a soup, or roasted, but they all give you different health benefits. So when these plants are growing, they are exposed to stress in the environment and they produce phytochemicals to protect themselves. And every color is a different protective compound. And then when we consume those are protective for our health. So we want more color. That's going to give us more overall health benefits, reducing inflammation, which will lower blood pressure, blood sugar, improve eye health, bone health, heart health. So the more color you can add, essentially the more nutrients. So if you're never eating anything red, or you never eat anything green or anything white, you're missing out on those certain compounds that are only found in that color and those foods.
Okay. Is there a pecking order here, Alice? Is there some that are more important than others, or is it just really important to get a good mix?
It's super important to get a good mix. If you're eating the same things every day and you're not adding that variety, if your plate's not looking like Audrey's was yesterday, then you're really missing out on things that can be important for your brain and your heart. So definitely adding color, adding diversity to your diet is going to give you a good balance of vitamins and minerals, these antioxidants that are heart protective and immune supportive. So there's no order of importance. It's just the brighter the color, the more colors you can incorporate is going to be the better.
There you had it, folks. I mean, that just covered it all for us, Alice. That was so interesting. Thank you, as always, for joining us. Happy National Nutrition Month.
Yeah,
as
who would've
well.
thought?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect timing, too.
Thank
and
you.
folks at home, to get even more recommendations from Alice, just check out her website or follow along on her social media accounts. Great updates she always posts there. Alice_approved, and then also Facebook and Instagram.